Hello everybody, today I am here to show you what I got in my March BoxyCharm. I almost said Birchbox. Why do I always do that? I have not opened this up yet, so I'm going to get my scissors out and open this up. I have seen spoilers on Instagram, but I feel like they always show like too much, and then by the time I get the box, it's been like a week or two since I've seen the spoilers, so I don't really remember what's in here. I'm sure I will be reminded though. So the first thing I'm seeing is the card. It says vacation and then it's got everything that's in the box on the back of that. And then I've also got a Butter London coupon code, 25% off of your purchase of $50 or more. It's Charm 25 in case anybody wants it. That's only on the Butter London website though. So then you open it up and you've got all of the goodies in here. The first thing I'm seeing, which I'm remembering now, is by Pretty Vulgar. I've never had any, I don't think I've had anything by this brand. And this is a blush. It retails for $26. It's called Make Them Blush in sorry. It's called Hush Blush number 18. Alright, how does it open? It doesn't want to open. There we go. It's a pretty color. It's a very natural type of blush. I feel like this would go good for a lot of skin tones. Maybe not everybody, but quite a lot of them. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. That's nice. It says it awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. Don't you like how they always do all that fancy, like, we're gonna make you love it, just from, I don't know, reading all that. Anyways, packaging is cute. It's a little clunky, but I don't mind it. It doesn't open super easy. Yeah, it doesn't open very easy, which I'm not really liking, but I do like this color. This will be nice for spring. It's a little bit of a muted color, but I don't mind that. Let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Butter London. This is their Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I don't know. I guess I'll open it up for you guys. I hate to open it up and then not use it for a while though. Let's see if I can get it out. I think everybody was supposed to get a mascara with this box. So here is the wand. It's a bristly wand. It's not like a rubbery one. And I don't mind it. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like L'Oreal Paradise, or like Too Faced Better Than Sex. Oh no, not that one. The Stila one that I like. It kind of reminds me of that brush, but the only difference is it's kind of like all one size. It doesn't really get big on the ends, but it looks nice. I'm curious to try this out, see how it works. So the next thing I'm pulling out is by South Main. 3 eye gel packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. You know what? I forgot to tell you how much that mascara was. It retails for $20. So anyways, these eye masks, I've never heard of this brand. At least I'm not familiar with it. They retail for $10. And it looks like there's more than one. You get 3 in here. Yeah, and it just says the same thing. It says thoroughly cleanse eye area, apply this product under eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, use promptly after opening. For best results, use for 3 consecutive days. So I guess that's why they give you 3. I swear I can count. I don't really have dark circles, so I won't really be able to test that out, but I could definitely test out the puffiness because I haven't been sleeping the best lately, so these will be nice. Alright, there's 2 more things in here. Oh, I do remember seeing this. This is a brush set. The brand is called the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's their Smokey Eye makeup brush set. And it retails for $23. It says this brush trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. It says a lot more stuff too, but I'm not going to bore you with all the details today. I'm trying to make a quick video. Okay, so in the box were these 3 brushes. They look really nice, actually. Let's see, they each say, so this one says step 1, this one says step 2. Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go. Which is not very helpful when you're trying to figure out which one does what. Step 1 looks like just an all over shadow brush, which is always nice to have. And then step 2 looks like a angled crease brush, which I don't have a lot of angled crease brushes, but I did use one this past week. It was like a little travel size one, and I kind of liked it. Cause I don't know, just the way it fits in there. So I look forward to using that. This one, step 3, looks like, I don't know, like a liner smudger type of brush. So I'm not really sure that I'd be able to build up like a really dark smoky eye with these 3 brushes. I'm not sure where they're going with that, but I mean, I like a brush. I like a full-size brush. Travel size brushes do me no good. Okay, the last thing in here is in a white box. I have no idea what this is. BoxyCharm and Pur. They came up with something. Let's see. This is the eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36, which is pretty pricey, and it's taped closed. So let me open it up. I kind of don't like when they have this kind of tape on the sides because I bet it won't come off clean, and then it'll just make the palette look really... Oh, that didn't come off too bad. Okay, I got the stickers off the side. It's not a mirror, but it's just kind of like foiled on the front there. Ooh, I think I do remember seeing this. I just didn't quite remember it. So you have a nice mirror. It's got a film on it. I'm gonna leave that on there. It's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad. And then the shadows are right here. They're quite nice. I don't know, well, I don't know. That shade right there, it's called BFF. It's kind of like a cross between a magenta and a plum matte. And then Mia is like a blue sparkly color. It's pretty, don't get me wrong, but I'm probably never going to put that on my eyes. But these top 2 rows are really nice. And then this is kind of like a matte brown. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. And then this looks like a black, but it has quite a lot of shimmer to it. I don't know how helpful that's going to be. But those top 2 rows aren't too bad. I like this color, but I have a lot of this color right here. I'm going to swatch a couple of them. My hands, again, as always, are very dry, but I feel like it might be nice to swatch them and see how they apply. Let me do one more. I did Charmer, which is this color right here, right there. That one didn't apply very well. It might be better with a brush. And then I did the blue, and that actually went on pretty good, which does me no good because I don't think I'll ever use that. I'll do this one right here. So this one over here, it's called ATL. Okay, that's not too bad. So maybe you just kind of have to play around with these. There are the colors right there. So Charmer is at the bottom, then Mia, and then ATL, which Mia and ATL, the blue one, and then that, I don't know what kind of color you would call that. Like it looks different on the palette than it does on my hand. It's kind of like a red color. I feel like the blue one and then the one on the top, they went on pretty well, but that really light color didn't go on so well. But maybe that was just because it might go on better with a brush instead. That's them on my hand. Anyways, I'm excited for this. I like everything in here. I like the mascara. I do really like trying out new mascaras, so I think I'll get along with that pretty well. The blush I think is going to be a really good color for just sort of every day. I don't want to fuss about it and I just want some color on my face. I think this will be really good, especially for spring. It is kind of like a mauve-y kind of color though. It's not very pinky, but I think I'll like that. Oh, and then those, the eye gel packs. So I think I'd like to use these pretty soon. Cause I could use a little treatment under the eyes. That would be nice. The eyeshadow palette, it's really pretty in there, but I'm not sure how much use I'm actually going to get out of that, so that's a little disappointing. And then the brushes, as soon as I wash them, because whatever brushes I get in my BoxyCharm boxes normally sit somewhere for a little while until I wash them. As soon as I clean them though, I think I would really like to use the angled crease brush. It's kind of like a fluffier crease brush. I think I'll get along with that really well. So anyways, this was another good box. Maybe not my favorite. I think last month I was like in love with everything that I got in that box. I was very happy with it. But this was still another good one. I think I'm only going to do one more of these, and then I think I'm going to cancel my subscription. So you'll be able to see April, and that might be it. That might be the end of BoxyCharm for me. I think I've been doing this for probably over a year now, right? It's been a while. Anyways, I'll leave everything listed in the description box down below that I got in my box today, and I'll also leave you a link to BoxyCharm so that you can check it out. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at HairbyLizzyBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye. Tried blue on it. I don't want to get, oh, I did get blue on the carpet. I don't wear lipstick very often, so now I put it on and then I'm all worried about it being on my teeth. Hopefully it wasn't. I need to go clean my hands. Ugh. Don't touch anything. Just don't touch anything.